workplace. Nobody is going to work here up until
reasonable-
you fix the things that we
Do
are
you
asking
hear?
you to fix.
Do you hear? Nobody's going to work here.
Yeah. Up until you are not
The
going to
lady
operate
just-
this
You,
workplace.
all the people here, guys, we are closing shop. You can all go home. This lady told you that you are not allowed to work anymore. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
You are interpreting it wrong, but continue to interpret it like that.
So
I'm
bring
going to
a
give you a notice.
So bring an interpreter.
Up until you fix the things that we want you to fix,
Bring,
then this workplace is not
bring
gonna
an
operate.
interpreter because we don't seem to understand each other
You will
correctly.
understand me very well in the notice.
Bring an interpreter. Then we will understand. Make an appointment. Show me the documents. Tell me what you want, and bring an interpreter because I don't understand you. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I've had a lot of prejudice from government people, and they are killing me with prejudice. We can't work. We can't take care of our families because of government people. No.
We don't want to speak to you.
We can make an appointment. I can see what you are going, and I thank you for that, and we will talk, but now I've got something to sort out. If these people can walk in here and tell me they're looking for foreigners and turn it into a situation like this, without wanting... First, when I asked, I can show you on the video how many people didn't want to show me their IDs. I've got no idea of proof that these people are the people who they say they are. I've got no papers. I've got no papers. I've got nothing about like that, you see. So if you don't approach me correct, you can't get me in a nice way.
Okay.
You must make an appointment, show me the documents. I will work with you, but work with me with manners first. If you don't do that, we are not going to work together. I'll close the shop. Okay, guys, we are closing. You can go to your stations, clean up. We are closing shop. This shop is finished. These people told us that we are not allowed to work anymore. These people who doesn't want to identify themselves. So, please excuse me. You see what they are doing?
I gave you my inspector's card. What more do you want from me?
Papers of what you're doing here, or your name. Why didn't you identify yourself when you came here? Why didn't you identify yourself? Why were you hiding in the back and sending another lady to tell me that you're looking for foreigners? Because you are playing you're playing a game, my bro. You're playing a game.